Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing Sakura from 르세라핌 in her iconic outfit from the Spaghetti music video, stylish, confident, and full of attitude. Grab your materials, get comfy, and let's turn this amazing idol into a fun, modern cartoon version together. Let's start with the eyes, shaping them slightly narrow and elegant with a soft lift at the corners. Sketch the eyebrows, keeping them very subtle since they'll be almost hidden under her bangs later. Add a small, delicate nose centered between the eyes. Draw the mouth and lips, forming a gentle, shy smile, charming and sweet, just like Sakura's signature expression. Place the ear, adding her stylish earring for a touch of personality. Shape the face with rounded, soft lines, keeping the features delicate and harmonious. Build the bangs, slightly uneven and playful, framing her face and covering most of the eyebrows. If any part feels tricky or moves too fast, pause the video, take your time, and keep going. Drawing should always be fun and relaxed. Now let's draw the hair. Cut around chin length, layered and very stylish. It's mostly black, but we'll add subtle blue highlights later for extra flair. Sakura is one of the most experienced members of 르세라핌, with a long career in the idol industry. She started her journey in Japan and later became internationally known through K-pop. Move down to the torso, keeping it slim and elegant, matching her dancer's posture. Draw the top, inspired by a denim jumpsuit design with one loose strap. Sakura is admired for her gentle personality and strong work ethic. She's known for balancing elegance with playful charm on stage. In 르세라핌, she often represents growth, resilience, and dedication. The Spaghetti era showcased a bolder, more confident side of her style. Now we'll write "Eat It Up" on it to match the MV outfit. Sketch the loose red pants and the red jacket tied around her waist, with the sleeves hanging freely in front. These pieces resemble racing mechanic uniforms and add a bold, dynamic look. If you're enjoying this drawing, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Check out the other tutorials here at Davi Toons Club and click the card above to explore our 르세라핌 playlist. And tell me in the comments which K-pop idol would you like to see in cartoon style next. 르세라핌's concept focuses on fearlessness, self-confidence, and self-expression. Their name comes from an anagram meaning "I'm fearless." Their choreography often blends sharp movements with smooth, fluid transitions. Draw the long, elegant legs, maintaining smooth cartoon proportions. Add the short black boots, making sure their tops are slightly hidden under the pant legs. K-pop idols usually train for years before debuting, learning dance, vocals, performance, and stage presence. Sakura is especially loved by fans for her honesty and humility. 르세라핌 continues to grow as one of the most influential girl groups of the new generation. Now, the left arm, long and slim, ending with her hand resting confidently on her hip, just like the choreography moment. She's wearing gloves here. Draw the right arm raised, finishing with a closed fist near her face and the pinky finger up, a key pose from the Eat It Up choreography. And yes, in my cartoon style, hands have 4 fingers only. For colors, think black hair with blue highlights, a dark denim top, bright red pants and jacket, black boots and gloves, and soft skin tones, but feel free to color it your own way. Creativity is always welcome. And here's our Sakura, stylish, confident, and full of charm in this modern cartoon style. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.